Hi, I'm Rie. I've always loved eating dessert, making dessert. I've known as a dessert snob on Instagram. Today, I'm making a giant cat-shaped cream puff. Cream puffs are made with a choux pastry, which is light and delicate. My cream puff will be filled with a sweet pastry cream and berries. This dessert with a hard exterior, sweet center, and a splash of tartness is perfect for the guest today, who is my friend, Niki.
Hello.
Niki is a BuzzFeed producer who also appears on the tasty show Eating Your Feed with me. Hi, Rie. Hey. Do you like my sweater?
I love your sweater.
I chose it for you.
It's very nice. I've never seen you wear it before.
I bought this 10 years ago and I only wore it once.
So this dessert is me as a dessert?
Yeah, we've been friends for 2 years now.
Yeah.
I know you like berries. You have a cat.
I do have a cat.
You also have a cat-like personality, in my opinion.
Okay.
It takes a little time to become really good friend with you.
Okay.
But once you like that person, you will never
so
leave
nice.
that person. So Niki,
Yeah.
first I'm going to make custard.
Delicious.
So I'm going to add a cup of milk and I want to use real vanilla bean. Tastes much better.
Really? It's like a notable difference?
It's a notable difference. You're going to split vanilla in half and scrape vanilla beans inside of the pot. I don't know, I just love good vanilla. Combine with milk and bring it to almost boil. Meanwhile, I'm going to separate egg.
Is pastry cream used in any other desserts? I feel like I've only really had it in like an eclair. Cream puffs are like eclair.
In Japan, we have like bread filled with pastry cream. It's really good.
Like a sweet bread?
Yeah.
That sounds really nice.
The sugar, the yolk, and mix until it becomes pale white color. I just wanted to show off my sweater, but I'm gonna wear apron now.
Oh, the little eyes peep out the top. I like that.
Is it creepy?
No, it's very cat-like.
Okay.
Did you ever have cats growing up?
Yeah, I always had a cat growing up.
Why don't you have one now?
I'm allergic to cats. So when I was living with my parents' house, I always sneeze or like my nose are always runny. And when I started living myself, it stopped.
It was the cat.
I'm adding cornstarch and flour. That makes pastry cream thicker. Milk is boiling, so I'm going to add first a little bit because egg yolk in it, if you pour everything, it's gonna scramble.
Eggs.
And also through the mesh sieve, so it catches vanilla beans pod.
Great.
Yeah.
I feel like desserts fall into two main categories, chocolatey or like fluffy and fruity.
Yeah.
And I've always been the fluffy and fruity train.
I feel like I'm with you.
Yeah?
I like chocolate, but if I have to choose one thing, I like custard, I like
Cream.
cream.
Fluffy cakes, white cake.
So I'm combining everything and bring back to pot, and I'm going to cook custard until it thickens.
Oh, you're gonna cook it again.
There is a leftover vanilla pot. You can wash it.
Oh.
And also you can put in a sugar pot and it makes really good vanilla sugar.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
I always thought you just throw them away.
It's expensive.
They are very expensive.
Yeah. And I'm going to heat it up and cook until it thickens.
Okay. I feel like the few times I've tried to make pastry cream, this is where I lose it.
Oh,
is that it never comes together.
Yeah. So the good thing to know, use rubber spatula instead of whisk because it has more surface so you don't burn. The mistake people make is either burned or become lumpy. Cooking custard, once it starts seeing the bubble, you are going to cook another 2 or 3 minutes and it's done.
Pastry cream is like one of those like staple things in like culinary school, right?
Oh yeah, it was one of our exams.
At exams?
So like cooking exam. And also Niki, you wanted to be a chef when you were young, right?
I did.
Yeah.
I thought going to the Culinary Institute of America would be a really cool thing.
Yeah. Isn't it kind of funny that you came around?
I know, I ended up doing
show?
cooking things anyways.
Yeah.
So is it done now? Is it thick?
Yeah, it's done. It's very
Can I
thick.
taste it?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You
It was
like
hot.
that.
I don't want to burn myself. Oh, that's delicious.
Yay. So custard is done. So I'm going to put plastic wrap, but you have to press it down so the skin doesn't form on the surface when it's cooled down. And I'm going to put in the refrigerator cool it for like 30 minutes.
Okay, see you later.
I'm going to make choux pastry.
Yum.
Have you made that before?
My family likes to make cream puffs together at the holidays.
Oh, that's nice.
And then we don't make pastry cream because it's too hard. Sorry. We put Nutella in whipped cream.
So I'm adding water and butter and pinch of salt. You are going to boil butter and water and add flour. You have to evaporate all the water, so when you add egg in it, the dough absorbs all the egg. That makes puff pastry puff.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's interesting. I didn't know that.
I'm pretty sure that's what that's.
Great.
So fun fact, you can pipe this choux pastry dough into hot oil and fry it.
Oh.
It's become churro.
Oh.
Yeah, if
churros.
you master this dough, you can make a bunch of different desserts. You're gonna melt all the butter, bring it to a boil, turn off the heat, and add the flour at once.
All at once? Mm-hmm. Oh, wow.
You wanna shift the flour so it doesn't get lumpy, and you are just like mix out of it.
Mix the out of it?
Yes.
That felt very uncharacteristic, but I love it.
And it kind of forms into a ball.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That came together really
It
fast.
happens really fast, and even you turn off the heat, it's still
It's
hot.
still warm, yeah.
So you have to take off the heat in order not to burn on the bottom.
Right.
Once it's kind of formed into a ball and it looks like shiny, you're gonna wait until dough is cool to touch because you wanna add egg next. You don't want to scramble egg.
It's a very delicate dough.
I feel like it's not too delicate to compare macaron.
Macarons to me seem very like snooty and high caliber and like perfect.
Small, expensive.
I mean, who would you think is a macaron though?
Myself.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I was like, you're probably a bit of like...
So dough is cool to touch. I'm going to add egg. Supposed to be 3 eggs, but egg comes in different shape and size. So I'm gonna just have to see the texture.
Okay.
And when you're cracking egg, crack on a flat surface so shell doesn't get in.
Smart.
Also have to add egg one by one.
And slowly. Okay. There's no sugar in this dough.
No, that's because we add some...
Filling it.
Yeah, filling.
Yeah.
Are you a cat person or dog person?
I'm both.
Me too. I cannot choose.
Did you know cats don't meow to each other because it's not a way that they communicate with each other. It's a way they communicate with humans.
Weird, yeah. And also like...
Manipulative.
I heard
Like me.
the dog toy make a squeaky noise.
Yeah.
That's the sound of like small animal dying.
Oh! I didn't know.
Did you know that? The dough looks good, so I'm going to put it in a piping bag. I'm going to draw cat shape on a parchment paper.
So cute.
Small tip for piping. This one is fine because the dough is very thick, but when you're piping something really runny, like whipped cream or custard, you twist here and put inside
Oh.
and bend it so it doesn't...
Come running out?
Yeah.
I've done that before.
I noticed that you didn't know.
You've seen it happen.
Yeah, I watched your macaron video.
Ah, it's coming out!
Okay, let's pipe. Put dough on the 4 corners so the paper doesn't fly away. So I'm going to pipe it into cat shape because it holds really good shape.
Oh, okay.
So whatever you pipe it, it will stay almost like it. It's become a little bit puffy. And I'm gonna do twice and then ear.
Cute.
Cute.
Yay, a cat.
Yeah, I'm splashing some water so choux pastry puffs up in the oven.
Does it have to do with steam?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
exactly.
How long is it gonna bake for?
375 for 20 minutes. Lower the heat to 350 for 15 minutes.
Oh, okay.
So you want to bake high heat first so it puffs up and lower heat to make sure everything cooks. After you turn off the oven, leave in the oven for 10 minutes. Temperature suddenly change, puff pastry might deflate. So that's why you want to leave in the oven.
Great.
Right, so this has been chilling in the refrigerator. It's hard, so I'm going to make it soft again. Don't put your snot in it.
I did the opposite. I inhaled.
But you're gonna eat it, so do
true.
whatever you wanna do. But
Oh.
yeah, so
It's so gelatinous.
This is good custard. If it's kind of cleanly peeling off from the bowl, that means the flour you put in the pan is fully cooked. So this is good sign.
Wow, that's
like
very
pudding.
satisfying.
I like put a little bit alcohol in my dessert, but I know that you don't.
Yeah.
So I'm not gonna do that to you.
What would you do?
I would add brandy, just a little bit, so it kind of have a nice adult flavor. Nice adult.
It tastes like adult.
Came off really funny, but I'm just translating Japanese word literally.
Right. Okay.
In Japanese, it's 大人の味, means like adult flavor.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna reset. I'm gonna just add heavy cream a little bit to loosen it up.
The tiniest.
I'd see.
Okay.
Like if it's too
Oh, jiggly custard.
nice and smooth, and I'm going to whip heavy cream.
Yes.
Some people use, I feel like most people maybe, use hand mixer.
You're not going to?
I'm gonna use hand, very rustic.
So rustic. Also, won't that take a long time?
It takes longer time, but you can control the thickness you wanna go.
What did you just put in there?
It's powdered sugar. Instead of using granulated sugar, I add powdered sugar because it dissolves well.
Wow, I can't believe you're hand mixing cream for me. You are a dessert snob.
So when I was working at the restaurant, every day at 5 p.m. I have to whip cream, maybe like 10 cups for throughout the service, and I had to do by hand.
Why? They wouldn't let you do it with a mixer?
The thing is, like, I never seen hand mixer in a professional kitchen, but like
Never?
places I've been, I've never seen hand mixer. So I usually go to walk-in refrigerator and whip it because if it's a cold, you will find me refrigerator around 5 p.m.
Funny.
But if you overmix it, it's become butter, or like it's become like super
Chunky.
grainy.
Yeah.
Nice. So I'm gonna stop right here. So I have strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, and your favorite, raspberries.
I love berries and cream. Have you seen that berries and cream Starburst commercial?
No.
Anyways, there's that.
Sometimes we have very different sense of humor.
What's that?
It's gooseberry.
Gooseberries?
So it's kind of like a sweet tomato to me.
Does it have anything to do with the animal, the goose?
Yeah, goose give a bars. Doesn't it kind of taste like sweeter tomato?
Biting into it is like biting into a cherry tomato.
Yeah.
But it's not a tomatoey taste. I don't know.
Okay, you don't like it. I'm not gonna.
Wait, give me another one.
Well,
It's
think
pretty.
about it.
It looks like a snitch from Harry Potter. And then Harry is like,
I'm gonna go check oven.
okay.
Here.
Wow.
So I'm going to cut in half and fill with cream. This is gonna be a little bit tricky.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna
This is okay.
stop talking.
I'll stop talking.
Did you just gasp?
No, I didn't. Did you?
I thought you just gasped. Like, what did I do?
Completely silent.
Wow.
Yes.
I'm going to fill cream and lick it.
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
Oh my god, it's so beautiful.
Thank you.
Do you feel like you like making desserts because they're more beautiful?
I like making dessert because it's like a gift to that person. You are not making dessert for yourself. To do that, I want to make it really pretty.
Berries time.
Berries time. I want to put everything in balance. First with strawberry, then raspberry.
This is so pretty. I love it. Oh!
It's okay. Here.
Yay!
So final touch, I'm going to sprinkle sugar because rice bowl is a white cat. So it's all done. This is my dessert for you. What do you think?
I love it. I think you really nailed it. It's like when you watch tasty videos and all you want to do is eat the thing. I get to eat the thing.
Yeah, and I always love eating dessert with tea or coffee.
I love that.
So I'm going to make tea.
Yes.
Pinky up.
Pinky out.
Was it too small?
No. Beautiful. Oh, yes.
Itadakimasu.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I hope you like it. How do you eat it?
Should we just pick it up and take a bite like a burger?
Yeah.
Cream sandwich.
Mmm.
Oh, yeah.
It's good.
Your choux pastry is so fluffy and delicious, but it's also just like really tasty. And both creams,
Right?
yeah, it makes a difference.
Yeah, custard and heavy cream.
And the berries. Oh, I love everything about this.
Good. Thank you.
This is me as a dessert.
Hey.
I feel it.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning about cream puffs and my friend Niki. Until next time, cheers!
Cheers.
It's not ramen, don't slurp.
Oh, yes.